Welcome, student. Today, I want to show you quickly how you can graph linear equations in under 5 minutes. Let's see what we need to do. Okay, so here's a list of what you need. You need to have a pencil with you. You should also have graph paper. That will make this easier, okay? You can actually look it up and print graph paper from a computer from Google. You can also print a coordinate plane. That might make it faster since it's already labeled the x's for you, okay? And you will also need a ruler. So here I have a picture of a coordinate plane. Notice that I have my x and y axis labeled, and I also label all the numbers. You want to do this as soon as you can. Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on just graphing linear equations. You'll see how easy it is in under 5 minutes with the slope intercept form. That is the equation that looks like y equals mx plus b. So here's the first example we have. Y equals 1 over 2x minus 4. The number in front of the x tells you the slope. So the first thing we want to do is identify the slope. Again, that's the number in front of the x, the coefficient. And in this case, it's 1 over 2. The numerator tells you how many units to go up or down. If it's positive, you go up. If it's negative, you go down. And then the denominator tells you how many steps to move to the right. So, in this example, we have 1 unit up and 2 units to the right. Perfect. Then we also need to identify the b, which is the y-intercept. Y-intercept in this case is -4, which is the coordinate 0 and -4. Remember, this is the y-intercept, so it needs to be plotted on the y-axis. So let's go ahead and start with plotting that point. Always, step number 1, plot that point, the y-intercept. In this case, 0 and -4. So that's where my point is, -4 on the y-axis. And then from there, remember, the slope is 1 over 2. So that means we're going to move 1 unit up and 2 units to the right. And we're going to repeat this process a few times so that we have as many points as possible in here in order to make our graph look nice and straight. Beautiful. We're actually under our time, so we're going to go ahead and move another example. Second quick example for you. All right, so in this one we have y equals -4x plus 5. The y-intercept in here, it's 5. We already see it. And then the slope is -4. So slope is -4. Now, this is a whole number. The slope needs to be a fraction because it tells you the rise over the run. So we're going to make -4 a fraction by writing -4 over 1, okay? That means for this one, we're going 4 units down and 1 unit to the right. Now remember, we start with the y-intercept. So the y-intercept in this case, it's 5, so it's a point 0 and 5. Let's go ahead and plot that in. 0 and 5, there we go. And then from there, remember, we're going 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the right. We're going to repeat this process a few times. So 4 down and 1 to the right until we have enough to make our nice straight line. Again, that's why we use a ruler, okay? And that is it. We actually did it in under 4 minutes. Great job. If you have any questions, please make sure you tell me. You can message in this video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.